Job done. What? You need
Videotape. It's already rolling. So this is a cicada. He just dug himself up of the ground. And he's going to be climbing. Follow my fingers. And well, here you go, bud. A little help on your journey. Get a purchase, buddy. Okay, let's try right here. You can see his wings forming right here. What, you want me? Climbing his way. I noticed him when he just crawled out of the ground. Still got some dirt and dust all over him. He's quite beautiful. You are not going to stab him.
I'm not.
You stepped on my pet cicada when you were 3.